Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks double smoked bacon, cheddar, and egg breakfast sandwich. So, here it is, nice little bacon, egg, and cheese on this really nice and soft breakfast sandwich bun, brioche bun. I'm not sure what this is, but it's good. That's all that matters. So, this has 22 grams of protein, 500 calories, 28 grams of fat, I think 46 grams of carb. So it is a little bit higher in the calories, but come with 22 grams of protein, that's pretty decent. So it gives you the protein you need without really destroying your diet, I guess. 500 calories isn't too bad. It's a nice get me going breakfast kind of food. So that's really good. And the bacon, it all smells really good. So I'm gonna get right into this because I'm getting hungry. So the bun's nice and fluffy. It's got like a nice texture to it. And as we get into the middle, the bacon's got some nice hickory smoked bacon flavor to it. They say it was smoked for 6 hours. It's got a nice flavor to it. Cheddar cheese, obviously good. Goes with the egg and everything, all blends together nicely. It's a pretty good breakfast sandwich. Yeah, good flavor. The egg tastes nice too. And I don't know what this bun is, but like the texture of it's really good too. Delish. So I like this breakfast sandwich better than most other places' breakfast sandwiches because it's nice and flavorful. It's pretty big. The bun's nice and soft. Like this is a cool, like, has a nice texture. It's very thick. So I'll give the double smoked bacon, cheddar, and egg sandwich from Starbucks a solid 8 out of 10. I like the bun on it. This is a cool style bun. Egg and bacon, obviously, always good. And cheddar cheese. Everything in this makes a nice sandwich. So I really enjoy it. I find that the cheddar isn't too strong flavored. I mostly taste the egg. And some people don't like egg a whole lot, but the egg on this is kind of, it's not too big, but it's flavored nicely so that it goes with the bun, the bacon, and everything as well. So it's not gross, it's good egg. So double smoked bacon, cheddar, and egg sandwich is a really good one. I like it. It's good breakfast. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.